back to this episode, everyone. In this one, we light the engineering hull. Alright, welcome back, everyone. Now here we're going to be doing the lighting. I'm just going to do lighting going down the spine of the ship. And that's all I'm going to do for that. So it'll be like 1, 2, 3, 4 lights along here, and a couple more on the sides here to help light up the navigational deflector. And that's all I'll need for that. And then I'll be, in conjunction with this, I'll be putting lighting in for the neck. Anyway, so what I need to do with these here is I need to glue these together to get them ready to go for the lighting. Okay, got those two glued together. Now I also used the glue gun to ensure it's going to stay together, and just doubly glued it up. It's, you know, it's better to have a little too much of something than not enough. At least I know it's not going to pop apart when I'm putting together the sections here. Now what I need to do here is I need to build an armature, so it'll be like a brace going across here and a brace going this way. They'll hold all the lighting, so that's how I'm going to put those in. But first I want to concentrate on the engineering hull here, so let's get those lights in there first. Okay, now I got one light here. It's going to go in this direction here to light up all the lights in the aft section. Another light here, 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 and then one on either side here, and then that's all I need. So I'm just going to bend these down. So let's just double check. Wait, plenty high enough. So like one here, facing aft. Got to keep the pins lined up, so this side's negative, this side is positive, so I got to keep the pins in the same sides. Okay, so these here, and then one more there. Yep, perfect. Just going to put these together. There we go. Looks good. Okay, you can see right here I got 2 points connecting these two separate sets of lights. Okay, do a quick light test. There we go. Good, yeah, nice. If it's down, there we go. Good, works, nice. Okay, I smoothened this out here so you don't see the join line, and I repainted it. So just gotta let that dry, and then I can start work on the interior lighting. Okay, before I get started with this, I have to place in the power plug for here. Now it's gonna go in here in between, so I have to scrape this glue out of the way. But it'll be right here in this point here is where it's going to go. So I just got to drill out a hole there. Okay, got the Gorilla Glue here. See, I got the plug in there to hold it in place. Okay, so while that's drying, we can work on this now. Alright, now I got cross beam here to go in. So it'll be probably up about here. If I have it too far back, it'll be in the way of the backing here. So probably up about here. Now when I go to cut it, there's two different angles I gotta worry about, like this angle here and the angle of the hull here, as long as this. So let me see here, where's my so I get those angles in there. Now I gotta angle it down. Like that. Okay. Now I gotta get these cut. Once I get this in place, then I can have the center bar here go in. There you go. Okay, we got that. Just gotta glue it in place. And then I can get the center bar in. Okay, now this bar here will go in here. But on the very tip over here, I have to V-shape the tip here to make it fit right inside. So that's what I got to do with that. There we go, just like that. Now to install it. That's good. Now I just got to drill the holes for the pins of the LEDs to go. And then that takes care of the lighting for the neck. Okay, so I got it marked here, 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 and here. I'm just going to put 4 in. Alright, I'm going to put these in. Now they got to go in from underneath. So that's it here. Okay. Now I'm just going to tie all these in together. So it's going to have another one up here and one over here, so like cross lighting for the top windows here. Okay, everything's in place. Let's do a quick lighting test. Looks good. Not bad. You know, it's obviously, I'm only using 3-volt power supply, so it'll be a whole lot brighter than this. You can see it there. It's working. Okay, now that this is all done, we're still missing something. The forward torpedo launcher. So I got to drill out the hole there, and I'm going to use a .30 fiber optic line. I'll run the line along the side to a red LED, probably around in this section here, where there isn't any little windows, or yeah, but anyway, right around in this section here, and then run it up towards the front. I will be using a 3mm red LED. Okay, I got the red LED, the red LED, and I put heat shrink over top of that, and I got a smaller heat shrink here for the fiber optic line here to follow in, and it'd be like a lead to the red LED. Just got to install the red LED. But first I'm going to run the line here. I already drilled the hole. Okay, so it's not too bad. Okay. I'm just going to put the red LED in the side here. Run the line into it. And there we go. Forward torpedo launcher done. Now remember, because that's a red LED, we have to have a resistor on it. Okay, I got a 68 ohm resistor on there. Let's do a quick lighting test. Using 6 volts to give a proper test. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about there. There you go. Torpedo launcher. Looks good. So that's it for the neck part here. Still got to put in the navigational lighting, which goes underneath here, but that'll be a little bit later on. Well, that's it for this episode, everyone. Engineering hull is done, and the neck. In the next one, we're going to be lighting the engines. So please like, subscribe, comment, don't forget to share, and check out my online store. The link is down below. If you have any questions or you want me to do some commission work for you, contact me at modelbuilder501@yahoo.ca. I'll see you all again later. Bye-bye.